Airsoft warriors, do you plan on buying Airsoft guns and gear for the holidays this year? Do you plan on paying full price for those items? Well, here at AirSplat, Santa Thor says ho ho no! This Christmas, AirSplat's going to be stuffing your stockings and filling the space beneath your tree. Make sure you head over to airsplat.com for our lighted up Christmas sale. 35% off all guns. So make sure you get over there and get your great deals today. Merry Christmas!